Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, October the 2nd, 2023, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Saturday edition, Saturday Sunday edition. We have three puzzles left. The first one I've already solved, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku and the Two Stars Sudoku. Two Stars Sudoku number 7201. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Yeah, Two Stars Puzzles has always 26 printed digits. For Two Stars Puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. Last row. So the row between the only place level 8 should be there. 1 in this row, third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left with 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones not used. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 7. 7. 7. And now 4 missing numbers. In this row, one of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row. Should be there. 2, 9, 6. Okay. 3, 3. Yeah. 7. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 3, 8. Yeah, 3, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. And 8 in that row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be here. So the 3 and the 9 are left. Okay. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between, we have a pair, the 7 and 8 in this row, first row, 7 and 8 in the last row, third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7, 8, 7, 8, we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, and now 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in the third row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot me there. 7. 7. Well, 7. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 in this box. Here can be 7. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. So the 7 in the middle column could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. Here, 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. This one is not easy. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Alright, only 1, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Here we have a 3. Need a 3 there. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 8 there. Ay, 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 ay. 7 here. 3 here. I believe the 3 should be also here. 3, yeah. 3, 3. Well, complicated, but we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is no. Wait a minute. 3, 3, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 9, 9. Come on. This is not easy. Well, 2. Need a 2 there. Yeah, we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this last column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And we have a pair. 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And a 7 in the third row. 2 and a 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. No. Yeah, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay, wow. Complicated. 2 missing numbers in this column. Last column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, I believe the 2 and the 9, yeah. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes and there. 2, 2, okay. 2 numbers left in the third row. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 digit left in the first column. Leave the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 9, 9. Okay. 2, 2. All right. Yeah, we have also 2. Need a 2 here. One box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9, 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, and only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. Is here 9 this row? No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. 3, 6. 3, 6, 5. 5, 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6 cannot fill this yet. Here also 3 and a 6. There's a pair here. 3, 6. Need a 2 here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. No. 3, 6 and need an 8 here. 8. We need an 8 in this row. Here can we an 8? We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 in this row should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 3, 3. Well, 2 missing. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have 3 and a 7 in this row, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay. 7. We have a pair, the 2 and the 7 in the last column, the 2 and the 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. That means need a 6 here. 2 and 7, 3, 7, 2 and 3. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number. I believe the 3. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3. 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 5, 5. 6 and the 3, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. I've marked this box with 6 or 3. We have a 6 now in this third column. So no 6 there. This box should be a 3. 3 and a 7. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. Well, 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. One box left in this column for number one. The two is missing here. To number well, to the 7. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Told you, need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.